welcome. For today's video I'm going to be trying out the brand new eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. So it's the Daydreamer palette. So this one here, this looks beautiful, it really does. It's quite pastel-y, quite romantic, just in time for Valentine's. So this is what the outer packaging of the palette looks like. It's really pretty, this like pastel, cloudy sort of look about it. However, as in true Beauty Bay fashion, I don't know what it is about me, but I've got a smashed one. So I'm not going to hold it up too much, but as you can see here, this one is smashed in transit. I think I've only received possibly 2 or 3 eyeshadow palettes that hasn't had a smashed pan in it, and I've got pretty much all of them. So it is a little bit disappointing. But yeah, I have tried to contact them in the past regarding it, and yeah, nothing's come of it. So it's one of them things, I guess. But yeah, there we go. The palettes are always nice, so what can I say? I've had these for years now and have moved house in between to completely different areas, and yeah, completely different drivers. We have, I think, 3 or 4 every drivers in this area, and yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. So it turns out that I decided to press mute on the microphone, which is fun. So we're going to do the rest as a voiceover. So this is the colour story. As you can see, it's really beautiful, really pastel-y, and these are the swatches. How stunning are these? The purple that I just pointed at is the one that was broken, and it's probably one of my favourite shades in here, which is, yeah, really annoying. So I'm going to start off with that shade, and I'm going to take that into my crease, just building it up a little at a time. It's easier to build it up than it is to take it away, so I'm just taking a little bit at a time, just blending that through the crease just to set down a bit of a base really. Then I'm going to take the shade Euphoria, which is a really nice bright pink, and just blend this onto the outer corner, so pretty much half of the outer corner of my lid. This is a really beautiful shade. It's got loads of pigment to it, really easy to blend, and it layers so nicely over that previous shade as well. Then I'm taking Fantasy, which is a deep purple, and I'm just going to work that right into the very outer corner just to build up a bit of depth with a tiny brush. And this shade is stunning. I have to say, all of the matte shades are layering so nicely over each other. This is an absolute dream to work with, it really is. So I'm going to take this beautiful shimmer, which is Imagine That. It's kind of a shift between a purple, pink, and a bit of a gold, or like a champagne gold. And I'm just going to start off for a bit of detail, just popping it on with a small brush again. And then I'm going to use my finger, just to build up the pigment as well. So base all done now with a bit of mascara as well. I'm taking the shade Marvel, which is this beautiful muted mauve. It's perfect for underneath, for me anyway, because it's not too much. It's quite a subtle shade, but it works beautifully with this eye look. And here is the finished look. Yeah, I'm over the moon with this, I really am. I think it is a stunning palette. Very wearable as well. There's some really nice neutral shades in here as well. I'll link the palette down below for you. Apologies for the voiceover. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and all that.